Welcome back to a sunny Devon and welcome back to Berrybrook. First off, don't forget to like and subscribe. Look at this, I love a Roadster. This is absolutely fantastic. This is in Royal Ivy. You've got spotlights there to help you see at night. Stone guard and grille, that looks absolutely fantastic with a badge bar at the front. Now, we also have here PPF protection, just helps you protect the car. Now we've also, speaking about protection, you've got these little corner tabs on the bonnet which really do help protect those edges. And also look at this, a double buckle bonnet belt finished in brown. These are so much better than a standard version. As we go round the side of the car, you can see you've got side screens and hood are finished in Mulberry. 16-inch chrome wires there, they look fantastic. As we go round the back, you've got a spare tyre, two-tier luggage rack, which I'll show you a little bit more. But look at this little bit of detail in here. You've got somewhere to put an umbrella. Look at that, fantastic. And there we go, look at that, you've got your two-tier luggage rack. What your two tiers does means that you can put your side screens in there, in your side screen bag, which this car also comes with. Some of the other nice features on here, you may just be able to see the embroidered headrests. You've also got convex door mirrors, which actually really do help you see in things like blind spots as well. And look at it, isn't it absolutely fantastic? Now the really nice thing about this is the interior. That's a nice little touch. So your door locks are covered with leather. You can see you've got door pockets on there as well. Walnut dash, the classic look. And also your cowl for your steering wheel was covered in leather as well. All just helps with the longevity as well. You've also got a door pocket on this side as well for your maps and polos. Offset steering wheel, so for a taller person, these are absolutely brilliant. So this 2017 Roadster only has 3,600 miles on it, which is nothing. If you want to bargain, check it out on our website, subscribe to YouTube for us and give us a like. Many thanks, folks.